stuffed restaurant-style baked potatoes. You're gonna love this recipe. Hi, this is Iris, and I share with you easy recipe what the whole family would love. This is the instant pot baked potatoes. This recipe is so easy, but it's another reason I really like my instant pot. You're gonna have your soft, fluffy baked potatoes in just 30 minutes. It doesn't take hours to bake your fluffy potatoes anymore. So let's get started. So for this recipe I would need a medium-sized potatoes. I've got 4 potatoes, already washed them. So the first I'm gonna pour this cup of water in an instant pot. Then I put my egg holder inside and lay potatoes on the top of it. Set on a pressure cook for 30 minutes.
So now I won't waste my time and start preparing the stuffing while my potatoes are cooking. First I will chop spring onion. I will use it for decoration only. Next, I'll grind the cheese. Lots of cheese. There is no such thing as too much cheese. I am also going to add a pulled beef to my potatoes. I already had it cooked, so I'm just separated to a smaller pieces, but you can add any type of meat if you would like. Ham, bacon, chicken, or any type of meat would work. Sauerkraut is another delicious combination you can add to your baked potatoes. I simply gave it a rinse and then I fried a little bit with olive oil, and it's ready to be added to your potato. And of course, baked potato is not a baked potato without sour cream. And of course, butter is another ingredient you can't forget to add to baked potatoes. My potatoes are ready. Let's see what it looks like. It's well cooked and see how fluffy it is. It's so easy to cut it. Slice potatoes in half and pinch sides to open. So I'll cut each of my potato on a half and then I'll start stuffing it. So for stuffing, butter will go first. After, I'll add a cheese, sauerkraut goes next, and I lay my pulled beef on the top. More cheese. Spoon over the sour cream on each potato. And decorate with a spring onion on the top. And it's ready. So now I will stuff rest of my potatoes same way, and it's ready to serve. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope this helped you to bake a potato. If it has, please leave your comment below and subscribe, and I'm going to see you next time. Thank you. Bye.